Stars, so that you can access it at any point in time.
Oh my god. Sir, so with what channel name?
Yeah.
That ma'am knows. I don't know the exact details. Ma'am will guide you through it. Okay. Now, anyways, pay close attention now. See, anytime an object, let's just say I'm in a submarine, this is the water level. Okay, I'm below water. I'm inside the submarine. Nice big submarine. मेरा खुद का एक nuclear submarine है, which I used to travel from here to USA and stuff, you know. In that case, inside the submarine, when somebody wants to look up on the surface, a flying fish for that sort, okay, they use what we call a periscope. The entire arrangement uses two mirrors kept at 45 degrees angle. What happens is light bends every time it hits this mirror and reaches the eyesight of the person who's trying to look on the other end. That is how a periscope works. A kaleidoscope, you've did those experiments where you take three mirrors, arrange them in a triangle of sorts, okay, inside a tube. Done those, right? All of you have done those experiments?
Which
Ever made a
experiment?
the kaleidoscope experiment?
Yeah, I have a kaleidoscope. I've not made one.
Okay. So what it is essentially, it's three plane mirrors at an angle of 60 degrees. Those are creating reflections. So if you keep beads here, multiple reflections are formed on all sides. That is how a kaleidoscope works. Understood? Again, an application of plane mirror. And also in solar water heaters, we use plane mirror so that light ray reflects onto the water surface and heats up evenly. Any doubts still here? Natasha, Arnav, Pratham. Cameras on. Doubt पूछना तो कैमरा चालू.
Hello, sir.
सर मेरा कैमरा ही नहीं ऑन हो रहा है.
अच्छा ठीक है, I'll inform मैम. प्रथम कैमरा चालू करो तो ये डाउट पूछ सकते हो. अभी से रूल रहेगा. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, can you explain that kaleidoscope something once again?
हाँ ठीक है, Alex. कैमरा बंद किया तो एक्सप्लेनेशन बंदा. This is what I'll do now. Explanation cancel.
सर
Can
सर
बोलो.
पर जब आपका बोलने की बात हो जाएगा तो वो फिर से कैमरा बंद कर देगा.
तो मीटिंग से बाहर सीधा. कैमरा बंद तो अब मीटिंग से बाहर. अर्नव लीव का रिमूव फ्रॉम मीटिंग करूं. चलो कैमरा ऑन.
सर मैं आपको वीडियो भेजता हूँ सर, ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा है.
नहीं अर्नव नहीं, प्रथम सॉरी, प्रथम
Okay.
नाम मिक्स हो जाता है. प्रथम कैमरा ऑन रखना. ठीक है, आई एम कॉलिंग मैम. इनफ.
Sir, my camera is on.
Don't lie. This meeting is recorded. You lie, we can all see that to your face.
Sir, it was off in between.
हाँ, तो फिर make it a point कि you're not turning it off. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no, Pratham? No, say yes or no.
Yes.
Better stay a man of your word.
Sir, can you
Now,
please tell the name for this once again? I just can't remember the name.
it's called a kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope. Sir, I think I have this. Do you? Can I bring it?
No need. It's a simple
Okay.
application. Don't waste time searching for it. Now, essentially, a kaleidoscope is basically a triangle of mirrors, okay? It's a triangle of mirror and all three mirrors are at an angle of 60 degree with one another. You know, this kind of a triangle is called an equilateral triangle. So whenever there is something like an object X kept on one of the mirrors, let's just say A, its image reflects on B, B reflects on C, and C reflects back on A. So you get multiple images. At one point in time, you get multiple images. That is why when you rotate it, those images seem to rotate with themselves. This is the effect of a kaleidoscope. It can show one or two things of the kaleidoscope for you.
Sir, I had it But it was like in a toy. I got it from McDonald's.
Yes, see, it looks somewhat like this. See, these kinds of images are formed because several things are arranged in three pairs of mirrors. See all these arrangements, see, like this they look. You can make kaleidoscopes at home using mirrors, but since you do not have access to mirrors right now due to lockdown, you cannot make it at home. It's pretty simple. This is a kaleidoscope. It looks like this inside the mirror. When you look it on one end, it's like this. When you look it on one end, you can see all of these images on the other end. Now, spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are of two kinds, concave and convex. Now, let's understand the difference between the two. Both are curved. Both are part of a circle. The only difference is the reflecting side. Okay? If it's a cave, that means its reflecting side is on the inside. Okay? Reflecting side is on the inside. Then it's called a concave. Whereas if its reflecting side is on the outside, it's called a convex. Understood? So whenever light hits the inside and is reflected back, it's called a concave mirror. Whenever light hits the outside and is reflected back, it's called a convex mirror. That's the only difference between the two. There is no other difference. Both of them have the very same properties. Okay, let me just discuss that quickly. In the terms of shape and stuff. Now, both of them are a part of a circle. If I were to draw a circle, okay, and cut it at half, if I were to cut it in half, one of them can have a reflecting on the inside, the other can have it on the outside. So this side becomes concave, okay, essentially, and the lower side becomes convex. Okay, that is the difference, because its reflecting side is on the outside and the other one has the reflecting side on the inside. Okay, now in terms of properties, there are a few differences that we need to study about. First is okay, they have discussed properties instead of reflection first. Okay, so I'll discuss those. Let me just so everybody do this. Draw what I'm drawing. Draw a straight line.
So
Okay.
where do we have to draw it?
Where will you draw it, Pratham? You won't draw it on my hand, that's for sure. It doesn't work like that. Take the notebook
सर हाथ
which
पे
वो हाथ पे ही लिखेगा. वो ऐसा वो स्कूल का भी नोट ऐसे ही हाथ पे ही लिखता है ना प्रथम. झूठ मत बोल. रफ बुक नहीं लेके जाता है तू हाथ पे लिखता है. तूने ऐसा गाल पे भी लिखा है. चीट नोट्स यहाँ पे सारे. All jokes aside, everybody bring out your notebooks quickly.
Sir, I've off my camera for a minute.
And Natasha, why is your camera off for so long? Come on, turn it on. Same rule for everyone. Camera should be on at all times. Natasha? Adi. Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to the land of living, okay? Take out your pen and notebook. Start drawing what I'm drawing, okay?
Sir, I've not found my book. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Sir, what is this?
Just draw it first, then I'll explain it aram se what each of them
Sir,
mean,
do we
okay?
have to draw it with pencil or pen?
Either is fine, dear. This is just rough note.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Natasha, you
So,
want to ask something?
yeah, sir, I'll just be back. Someone's calling me for a Zoom meeting. I don't know. Just 1 minute. I'll be right back.
No, sir. Like, do we have to write we have to write any composition or anything of this?
No, 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 no. First, note whatever is on the screen down, because there's gonna be a lot of drawing. Okay, there's a lot of drawing that you need to do.
Sir, it is rough, so can I draw with pencil and without a scale?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
When you need to use a geometry box, I'll let you know.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, sir.
What was it?
Sir, I don't know. Some of my friends were calling me. They didn't know I was in class.
Okay. Now, you must have noted these few things. I'm gonna write what each of these abbreviations mean. Note everything that's on the white screen down, okay?
Sir, it is P for pole, right?
Yeah.
Sir, done.
Okay. Everybody else speed up as well. We have a lot to discuss today. A lot.
What is F? Like, you have written what?
Which?
F.
F is focus. Focus. And everybody else camera is on यार मेरे को बार बार बोलने को मत लगाओ. This goes for everybody. I understand Arnav already gave the reason. Everybody else, don't make me ask.
Hmm.
Everybody done with this?
No, sir.
करो जल्दी करो.
Done, sir.
Durva
Done.
done? Okay. Natasha, speed up.
Done.
Okay. Now let's understand each of the term here. Principal axis, see you'll be doing what we call ray diagrams. These are ray diagrams. Okay, these are the basic components of a ray diagram. First is a principal axis. It's a line which passes through the mirror. Okay, it cuts the mirror exactly in half. Okay, along the vertical axis. Along the vertical axis, it cuts the mirror exactly in half. So essentially, what the mirror becomes is what we call the y-axis, and your principal axis becomes the x-axis, like you draw in the graph. Okay, remember this. This is gonna help you a lot later on. It looks like a graph. Your mirror becomes the y-axis and your principal axis becomes the x-axis. Okay. Now, other than that, what are the other four letters? First, the mirror itself, always the non-reflecting side is showed with the shading. As you can see, this is a concave mirror I've drawn. The non-reflecting side, I've drew a few lines along it. It is to signify that that side will not reflect light. Only the front side will reflect light. Okay, bear this in mind. Next, I have written a C. Now remember, I said that a mirror is essentially a part of a bigger circle, a spherical mirror. I said this, right? So if I were to draw a circle,
Yes, sir.
my spherical mirror is just a part of it. Wow, it's turning into an oval everything. Yeah. So every circle has a center and also has what we call a radius, right? That's it. The C represents the point at which, okay, if the spherical mirror is the part of a circle, then C represents the center of that circle. Okay, the C represents the center of that circle and hence it is called the center of the curvature. It's a part of a circle, right? This is my circle, this is my mirror. I'm calling that this small part. Okay, this part which I've shaded is the actual mirror, but it's actually a part of a bigger circle, right? So the center of that circle becomes C and the radius of that circle becomes radius of curvature or R. Okay, lastly, focus. Now what is focus? Focus समझने के लिए आपको समझना होगा कॉनकेव और कॉन्वेक्स मिरर्स के बारे में. जितना मैंने इधर लिखा है सब नोट डाउन कर लिया है सबने.
So what like?
ये जितना भी लिखा हुआ है सब
So
नोटेड
1,
है
2,
ना?
3, 4, 5 till that we have done it.
Yeah, that. Okay. Now, so I'll move on to explaining what convex and concave mirrors are. Now, a concave mirror, what it does is when light hits it now, all of it focuses on some point on the principal axis. And I have to do a lot of work here. This is your principal axis. This is your mirror. Okay. Let's say that I have two incoming beams of light. We assume that light travels in a straight line. Okay. And we can draw them as lines. So मेरे पास two light rays है. ये जो incoming light rays है हम इनको दूसरे नाम से भी जानते हैं, right? Incident light rays. ये दोनों incident है. Now, mirror से टकराने के बाद, assuming ये मेरा non reflecting side है, तो again I'm discussing a concave mirror. ठीक है? Concave mirror में जब वो टकराएंगे तो मेरे पास दो पॉइंट्स है, एक फोकस है और एक सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है. सबका
So
ध्यान है
your
यहाँ पे?
voice is cracking.
Is it tracking for everyone? Natasha, Durva, girls, are you paying attention?
Yes, sir. It's saying your network is low, and I
Okay,
did
wait.
not switch it off.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Arnav.
Sir,
What
I
happened? You
got
got
logged out. Yeah.
From my end, it is still on, and I can see myself. Can you see me waving?
No, we can't. Can anybody see Natasha waving?
So I can't see anyone.
What, sir?
Sir, I think so there is an issue in net or Teams app.
Yeah, I'm guessing Teams app is facing some difficulties. Can everybody hear me?
Your
Yeah.
voice was cracking and your this uh, camera was frozen in between.
Is it the same for everyone?
Yeah, this happened, and that is why I said some network problem at my end because my camera is still on. I can send you a screenshot of it.
It's not showing up on the Teams app. I don't know. There must be some error or something.
I don't
It's
know.
not, it could be the Teams app itself.
Yeah, maybe after some time it will come, or I'll have to do something else.
You
Yeah,
need
we'll
to
look.
log in once again.
Oh, I'll
No,
do
not
that
right.
after class. It'll take a lot of time to do all of that.
Not log in, like go end the call and then rejoin.
No, forget it. Forget it. Forget it. It's fine. Everybody concentrate here. Everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. So can I
That's
off the camera? Like,
yeah, fine. Fine, fine. Now, यहाँ पे देखो, when an incident ray hits ना, all incident rays in a concave mirror meet at a certain point. All of them. After reflecting, they meet at one point. That one point is called the focus. For some reason now I cannot draw a straight line. Yeah. The point at which all of these light rays are meeting are called focus. So now after reflecting of the mirror, they are called reflected rays. Okay. When they are moving towards the mirror, they are called incident rays. And when they reflect, they are called reflected rays. The actual definition for the focus is as such. Focus is the point at which all reflected rays में meet. मतलब जहां पे अभी अगर समझ लो हमारे पास 4 बीम्स है या 8 बीम्स है या 10 लाइट रेज है, जितने भी लाइट रेज है वो सारे के सारे रिफ्लेक्ट होके जिस पॉइंट पे मिलते हैं, यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसे हम कहते हैं फोकस. फोकस समझा सबको?
yes, sir.
समझा.
फिर
Sir,
से
what is
बोलोगे
it called
सर?
again?
हाँ,
What
फिर
is it
से
called
बोलोगे?
again?
फोकस. फोकस.
Oh, I just heard Fokra. That's why I'm sorry.
नो, फोकस.
सर फिर से रिपीट
I'm
करोगे
really sorry.
फोकस का?
I didn't get you, Durva. Could you repeat? Durva, you're stuck.
Hello.
Yeah, I
Hello?
can hear you.
Your
Go
voice is
ahead.
cracking.
So can you repeat what you said about focus?
You want me to repeat what I said about focus?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Focus is essentially the point at which all reflected light rays meet. All reflected light rays in a mirror meet at a certain point. That certain point is called focus. Now, for concave mirror, it's in the front of the mirror. Okay, so it meets in real world. Whereas for a convex mirror, this is a problem. I'll explain what I mean.
Behind the original mirror.
Yes. Now, essentially, its non-reflecting side is on the inside, right? So, actually, what happens is, as light rays hit it now, they diverge. Light rays meet, they diverge.
So
Light
when we
rays.
see it on a this mirror, we can see an object enlarged.
Yeah. Now, essentially, incident ray and reflected ray are moving away from one another. Incident ray are all parallel, but reflected rays are moving away from one another. So, if I were to backtrace this line, I would get a point, hypothetical point where these light rays would meet. That hypothetical point is called the focus here. So, a convex mirror. Remember this, these are few points that you need to remember. Now, note this down as well. Wait, I'll go back to the Actual pointers. There you go. Yeah. Note these down just below what you wrote for the 5 points. Concave mirror, okay, is also known as converging mirror. Whereas convex mirror is also known as diverging mirror.
So can I repeat the first point?
Concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. It's on the whiteboard, you can see it for yourself. I'm writing as I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Just note it down quickly, everyone.
Have to write draw something like.
I just want you to write the 2 points which I just mentioned, Pratham, this and this. Are you even looking at the whiteboard, dear? Pay attention.
Because I think so. Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Because I couldn't see or hear you in between. That's why I think so. There was a net issue or a Teams problem.
Everybody else done writing? Natasha, Arnav,
Yes, sir. What?
you guys are done writing the 2 points?
Yes,
No, no,
yes,
no.
sir.
I'm just writing diverging mirror. Last thing. Yeah, you can erase. I'll just remember. Yeah. Yeah, done, done.
No, sir. No, sir.
Are
I said, but you couldn't hear me. I think so.
here you go.
Bas. Done, sir.
Okay. Now, let's continue on. Now, these are just the basics, okay? ये हम लोग का बेसिक्स है कि लाइट रेस कैसे काम करता है, पार्ट्स क्या है लाइट रे के, फोकस क्या है, ये सब आपके बेसिक्स है. अभी आपने सारे बेसिक्स पॉइंट्स नोट कर लिए. अब थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स करते हैं. सबसे पहली चीज हमने डिस्कस कर लिया कन्वर्जिंग और डाइवर्जिंग मिरर्स क्या होता है. हमने फोकस भी डिस्कस कर लिया, करेक्ट ना. आपका है ना कुछ लेंस आपको याद रखना है, कुछ डिस्टेंसेस आपको समझ के लेना है. आपके प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पे पोल, ये जो पॉइंट है जहां पे मिरर और प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस मीट करता है, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं पोल. ये पॉइंट और सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है, ठीक है, पोल टू सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. ठीक है, ये ध्यान में रखना. नेक्स्ट, पोल टू फोकस, पोल टू फोकस is called focal length.
Sir, it is half the radius, no? From
मैं
pole to
discuss करता हूँ, मैं वो बताता हूँ. रिलैक्स, वो उस पॉइंट पे मैं आता हूँ. ठीक है ना. ये दो चीजों के बाद में एक चीज ध्यान में रखना है. फोकल लेंथ को है ना हम एक लेटर से डिनोट करते हैं, कैपिटल एफ, और रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर को कैपिटल आर से. आपके सम्स में फॉर्मूलाज में सब जगह ऐसे ही डिनोट होगा. एक लास्ट चीज, फोकल लेंथ विल ऑलवेज बी हाफ द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, या रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर विल बी ट्वाइस द फोकल लेंथ. इतना क्लियर है? यहां तक किसी को कुछ नहीं समझा, कुछ डाउट है, कुछ पूछना है? गुड.
सर मुझको कोई डाउट ही नहीं है इसमें.
अच्छा, ओके. कोई डाउट नहीं है? किसी को कुछ भी नहीं है?
No, sir. 1 minute. I'm writing this. I got logged out.
So your voice is cracking.
प्रथम, आई गेस यू आर फेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ नेटवर्क इश्यूज. ये लास्ट 2-3 सेशन हो रहा है. आप राउटर
सर वो लिखना है.
हाँ, ये लिखना है, ये लिखना है.
Do we have to draw that like this?
नहीं नहीं, ये आपका ऑलरेडी पहले आपने डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया है ना, तो उसी के नीचे लिखते जाओ. ये डायग्राम मत ड्रॉ करो, बट ये पॉइंट्स लिख दो.
Sir, done.
Okay. Everybody else quickly finish off as well.
Not done.
Durva done? Okay.
So done.
Yeah. Now, let's move on to the more important part as well. अभी फोकल लेंथ हो गया, फोकस हो गया, कन्वर्जिंग और डाइवर्जिंग हो गया. अभी हम लोग रे डायग्राम्स भी डिस्कस करेंगे और लॉज डिस्कस करेंगे, जो आपको ध्यान में रखना है. तीनों आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी है, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. बट ये पढ़ के बाहर करना. दुर्वा, स्माइल देना बंद करो लोगों को. ध्यान दो सेशन में, मैं हूँ यहीं पे. एंड यू ऑलवेज कीप ऑन फॉरगेटिंग द फैक्ट दैट कि मैं देख रहा हूँ तुम्हें. क्या करूँ मैं इन बच्चों का, क्या करूँ मैं, बताओ. हाँ तावडे साहेब सांगा, काय करणार मी?
सॉरी,
काय
काय नाही करणार.
काय चाललं काय तावडे साहेब?
काय नाही.
नाव
काय नाही.
बर
काय
बर. Okay, everybody pay attention. Now, the three main laws that you need to remember in order to understand how you need to draw a ray diagram are as such. Okay, these are, okay, I'll have to mention it in detail. Laws for drawing ray diagram. Now, don't start noting down right now, just wait a second, okay?
सर आप टाइप करोगे क्या, क्योंकि ना आपकी हैंडराइटिंग थोड़ी समझ नहीं आ रही है.
Durva, we can understand.
हाँ, मुझे नहीं आ रही है समझने. समझ में, सॉरी.
Sir has only written laws for drawing ray diagrams.
Yes. That so we can.
Sir, you are on mute.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Wait, I'll write nicely for Tawade Sahib, okay? I'll call her Tawade Sahib from this point on. It's a nice name. I used to call all my Marathi friends by their surname. I had a Dabolkar, I had a Garude. Now I have a Tavade. It's fine, no?
The variety is vast.
Yeah, wow. Okay. Durva, pay attention. Laws for drawing
So we could understand your language when you were writing previous.
diagrams. Now, pay close attention. The first law is as such. Rays traveling parallel to principal axis after reflection pass through focus. For
So do
each
we have
law,
to
I'll
write this?
wait, not right now. Wait, I will tell you when to write. Now, for each law, along with the law, I'll give you a representation of what it actually will look like. So essentially, if this is your concave mirror, for all I'll use mostly concave mirrors. Okay. Now in a concave mirror, this is my principal axis, and a light ray is traveling parallel to the principal axis. I'll call it the incident ray, IR. After reflection, so after hitting the mirror, if this is my focus and this is my center of curvature, this is my pole here behind the mirror. After reflection, it will travel through the focus. Every light ray which is incident after reflection passes to the focus. So this is reflected ray, and where did it pass through? It passed to the focus. This is the first law. Okay, IR is incident ray. RR is reflected ray. Other everything we have discussed in the previous diagram. F is focus, C is center of curvature, P is pole, PA is principal axis. Okay, this is understood by everyone. किसी को इसमें डाउट है, कुछ ऐसा है जो नहीं समझा?
Sir,
No, sir,
some.
no doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Let's
so like if any if it is like in somewhat near the principal axis, so that time it will like diverge to focus or to any other point.
no. No matter where it is from the principal axis, if it is parallel to the principal axis, it will
No,
always
near the principal axis, like if it is almost
yeah. So it's here. You're talking about that, it's here. So what would happen? It would still pass through the focus. No matter how far or close it is to the principal axis, doesn't matter. It would
how?
still pass. Got it?
Or how that's possible? Because normally, if it is like near the principal axis, it should reflect back because it is almost near. It is like
No, that doesn't happen. You're talking about plane mirrors. These are curved. These aren't plane. प्लेन मिरर्स अलग होता है. प्लेन मिरर्स टकराने के बाद में रिटर्न उसी या एंगल पे जाएंगे, या एंगल पे आएंगे तो एंगल पे ही जाएंगे. दैट्स लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. बट यहाँ पे हम कर्व मिरर्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. कर्व मिरर्स में अलग लॉज अप्लाई होता है, इसलिए हम ये लॉज कर रहे हैं. समझा?
yes,
मिक्स मत करो ना. ये पार्ट, ये फर्स्ट लॉ खाली लिख लो, फिर मैं सेकंड लॉ डिस्कस करूंगा. जल्दी से लिख लो, ठीक है? जल्दी करो. और जैसे लिख के होता है, रेज अ हैंड सो दैट आई नो यू हैव डन राइटिंग. Okay, Durva, well done. Pratham, Natasha, Arnav, guys, speed up.
So do we have to draw the diagram?
Yes, obviously, along with the law, you need to draw the diagram.
So what do we have to write? Like I dot R is there and RR is
Yeah,
there.
whatever is on the diagram, that same thing you need to just copy it down. Got it? And I've wrote down if some short form is new, like IR and RR are new. So I've wrote down their full forms as well, incident ray and reflected ray. Natasha, Pratham, Arnav. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी.
हुआ नहीं है सर, अभी मैं
Sir.
लिख रही हूँ.
Sir, almost done.
ऑलमोस्ट डन नहीं चाहिए मुझे, कम्प्लिटली डन सर ऐसा चाहिए मुझे. तावडे साहेब कुठे गेले तुम्ही? आले 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 आले.
प्रथम तुम तो हंसो ही मत, क्योंकि ना पहले तो तुम अपना कैमरा ऑन नहीं रखते और बीच बीच में मतलब हंसने के लिए अनम्यूट करते हो सिर्फ.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. हमेशा कैमरा ऑफ, हमेशा. खाली हंसने के लिए कैमरा ऑन होता है. हाँ,
और अनम्यूट भी.
I'm on Durva's team right now. खत्म बात.
हो गया सर.
Natasha, on whose team you are? Durva or Pratham?
In what sir?
Who is more mischievous? Natasha or Pratham?
अरे सर मैं मस्ती नहीं करती. Sir, and no one will agree, so I'm going to support myself that I'm not mischievous and Pratham is more.
Sir, I'll go with Durva.
Correct. Okay. Now everybody done writing the first law?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the second law. Now, unlike the first law, second law बिल्कुल opposite है.
I'm very happy. Only Pratham has turned on his camera. Rest all, y'all are going to, sir, please give homework today and they'll do it 2 times.
Miss, but my
Durva
camera is
has
on from
kept it-
starting.
Pratham
कौन
turned
बोला
it
ये?
on just now. Durva's camera is on the whole time. Pratham turned it on just now. Natasha had turned it on. She faced some network issue. And Arnav is saying that he's unable to turn it on any time. Like he's
Yeah,
facing some
ma'am.
issue with that.
Yes,
Arnav, you will
ma'am.
have to take your mom's help and get someone, call someone at home and fix this issue.
Yes, miss, I'll fix it after the class.
Yeah, you have to make sure that mama knows about this issue and I want this fixed as soon as possible.
Okay, miss.
Natasha, your camera has to be turned on. Why is it not on? How do I see
Miss,
you?
I don't. Miss, earlier you can ask sir also that there was something. My camera was turned on from my end, but no one else could see. So
Now turn.
So, Miss, now also that only is happening. My camera ka icon shows, that slash is not there only. That means my
ठीक.
camera is on from there.
Then you will also have to tell your mama to fix this.
Yeah.
Huh? And
Pratham said that
with
you'll
Natasha.
have to leave the call and rejoin
No,
maybe,
don't
but
call that now. But just tell your mom you're facing this issue. Arnav, you also. I give you all 2 working days. Please fix this, okay?
yeah, I've
Okay,
told
miss,
my
I'll
mom
fix it
about
today.
this.
Yeah, good. All right. Okay, sir. You can continue.
Okay. Now, the second law is the exact opposite of the first law. So, in the first law, what did we state? We stated that the ray was traveling parallel to the principal axis. Second law में थोड़ा उल्टा. What if the ray passes, or rather is traveling?
So your voice is cracking.
Is it? No.
No, it's not.
Okay. now is traveling from the focus. So it will happen the other way around. Then reflected ray will be parallel to principal axis. Now the diagram is exactly the same. So straight line, curved mirror, non-reflecting side, ठीक है? Pole, focus, center of curvature, principal axis. Now instead of, अब last time हमने कैसा पहले इंसिडेंट रे पैरेलल दिखाया था, इस टाइम हम हमारा इंसिडेंट रे पासिंग थ्रू फोकस दिखाएंगे. ठीक है, तो ये मेरा इंसिडेंट रे हो गया और पैरेलल
principal axis.
reflected ray. Yeah, same चीज, it's just that it got turned other way around. तो जो मेरा पहले इंसिडेंट रे था वो अब मेरा रिफ्लेक्टेड रे हो गया और मेरा रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मेरा इंसिडेंट रे हो गया. समझा कि नहीं समझा सबको? Okay, now everybody note down the very same thing. I'll zoom out a bit. Yeah, here you go.
So do we need to draw the diagram again?
Yeah, the same diagram, just change the labeling.
So done.
Okay, Durva done? No, okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. Natasha, Arnav, you guys done as well?
No, sir. 1 minute.
Natasha, what up? Done. Okay, great. Natasha's done, Arnav's ending.
Yes, sir. Done.
Great. Now, these are the first two laws. अब third scenario, अभी तक जो हमने एक भी बार डिस्कस नहीं किया है, is the third law itself. If the incident ray is passing through the center of the curvature, then the reflected ray passes back. Okay, I won't say passes back. traces back. The same path. Now this is a whole lot to digest, so I'll simply put it. अगर आपका प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस कर्वेचर वही सेम चीज, ठीक है, बट इस टाइम आपका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से जा रहा है फोकस के बदले, ठीक है, आपका लाइट रे.
So your voice is cracking.
Is it? No. Pratham, you need to get it checked out. Maybe you're sitting too far from the router or you're using Wi-Fi. Then it will happen with you.
So because I'm sitting where the right, like it's outside my room. That way.
There are walls in between, na? So that way you'll feel it. You'll feel the what we call resistance of the wall.
But
Presuming
normally
that this
it
is
doesn't happen.
video calling, it takes a lot of data, dear. Now, when this third law, what we presume is the incident ray and the reflected ray, both of them use the same path. So they go in the same direction and then follow the same path back. This is what you were saying for the first law, Pratham, that it should come straight back. It doesn't happen if it is parallel, but it will happen if your incident ray is passing through the center of curvature and not through focus. If it's not through focus, if it's not parallel, but center of curvature, एक ही केस ऐसा है जिसमें अगर सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर चल रहा है तो सेम रास्ते से वापस आएगा.
So,
No
but if
exception.
this passes through principal axis, it will be reflecting in that same path, no?
No, if it's passing to the principal axis, then focus. जो फर्स्ट दो लॉज है वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के लिए, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस और फोकस के लिए.
No,
अगर
no, no,
प्रिंसिपल
no. So like the principal axis is only the light. Like the light is through passing through towards the pole.
it would still minutely diffract to the focus. We'll presume still that. आप रे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करोगे तो फिर प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पे आप कोई रे ड्रॉ करोगे ही नहीं. So don't worry about that. But to put it respectively, still it would be suggested that it's passing to the focus. That's it. Now, ये समझा किसी को इसमें डाउट है थर्ड लॉ में? No. Okay. Now, note it down as well quickly. एकदम high speed noted.
So you need to show the
Yeah. It's open. It's open now.
So you means like there was a book in between. The
Yeah. Now it should be visible.
So do we have to draw the diagram?
Yes, obviously. डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना ही है, ऑप्शन नहीं है. Everybody done noting down?
सर रुको, अर्नव बाकी है.
अच्छा, अर्नव लिख रहा अभी भी.
नहीं, वो क्लास में नहीं है.
वो डिस्कनेक्ट कैसे हुआ?
Sir, he's getting disconnected a lot of times.
Yes. Oh,
He's coming and going.
अच्छा, anyways. बाकी सबने नोट कर लिया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can
टाइम ही हो गया. आज बहुत कुछ करने के लिए था, इसलिए मैंने आज सोचा कि पहले मैं मेरे लॉज कंप्लीट कर लूँ, इसलिए मैंने आज ले लिया. नेक्स्ट टाइम हम लोग कर लेंगे गेम, ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay.
चलो.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
I
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
with you. Okay?
Sir, Arnab is left, I think so.
He
Alright.
came.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye bye.